Namaste to all my dear loving students. My name is Moti Prasad Paudel from Joint School Family Rupandevi, and today I am here to teach you Social Study of Standard 9, Unit 4.2, same unit, uh, and the topic is prostitution, drug addiction, and bullying. My dear students, listen one thing. Now, due to this pandemic, we have to go through these online classes. We can say the visual classes. So you have to be prepared through the visual classes. So this is one of the very good initiation made by Joint School Family for you all. We are also very safely from home we are doing visualization class, and in your home also you have to stay safe, stay home, and take the benefit of the visual class which is given by the joint school through the YouTube. So today I am going to start first of all what we mean by prostitution, drug addiction, and bullying. I think you all are very well known about this word. Prostitution, it is a business or practice of getting engaged in sexual relation in exchange for payment or some other benefit. It is a business. It is a business or practice getting engaged in the sexual relationship in exchange for payment or some other benefit. It may be termed as commercial sex. It is legal in some region or some country and illegal in other. In our country it is illegal. Prostitution, it is illegal in our country. Clear? People who are involved in this act, they are known as sex worker. Most of the sex workers, they are female, and the client are male, apart from the exceptional some of the cases. So it is generally associated with the term gender violence, discrimination, male and female. And this prostitution has not been clearly defined as an illegal act, but there are some laws about the human trafficking and sex trafficking which define it as a illegal act. Though it is illegal and immoral, many sex workers are involved in this act. Because, do you know why they have been involved? First of all, because of the poverty. Second one, illiteracy. Third one, discrimination. Fourth, over ambition. Voluntary sex. Fifth one, absence of strict law. Sixth, and so these are this and this for the sex trafficking. Most of the girls, they don't know when they are going to trap in the girls trafficking. There are so many people are there who force them to do prostitution. They are being selling in India, this trafficking girl. So from our country, so many girls, they are also in India, in the India brothel, or we can say in the prostitute area. So this girls trafficking, it is going on. Due to that also most of the girls, they are going to the abroad. And there are Some women are also involved, some men are also involved trafficking them. Sex work may seem a short-term relief to the poverty and struggle encountered by the hundreds of women in Nepal, but it has a bitter consequences like right, loss of human right, insecurity, infection of the sexually transmitted diseases, which we can gonorrhea, HIV/AIDS, clear. Different type of their sexually transmitted diseases are there. It has to be controlled in the time. Women empowerment along with adequate awareness, skill development and different job opportunity, they can reduce the sex trafficking or voluntary sex or prostitution as a whole. Have you got my point? And the girls who are illiteracy, over ambition, poverty, they are getting more victim of this prostitution. There are some people in the society who traffic the girls and sell into the different countries. They are luring the girls. They are saying that we will give you job opportunity, we will give you some handsome amount of money, come, we will give you some high class job opportunity. So this and this they are luring they are giving some hope, but alas, the trafficker, they are selling to the girls. So in this way, so many girls from our country, they have also been trapped. I think you have got understood about the prostitution. Now come to drug abuse. If we will say drugs, it is very dangerous. Very dangerous in our country. Clear? So before studying this, let us clear the meaning drug abuse. The regular use of mind-altering substance which gradually ruins the health condition and lead to untimely death is known as drug abuse. So it is a very serious problem in our country. If you think it is a very serious problem in our country, drug addiction is a chronic brain disease. Drug addiction is a very chronic brain disease because there are hard drug abuser and many other, they are culturally, socially, legally, they accepted the drugs. Alcohol, gaza, do you know gaza? Marijuana, bhang. These are taken on the occasion of various religions. They are saying in the name of the God, or some of the cultural festival, or and smoking tobacco. Clear? And some of you have seen some people, they are using as a bhang, gaja. So these are what happened, these are the drugs. Abuse of drug leads to change in the structure and the function of brain. Such drugs full brain receptor and activate the nerve cell to send some of the abnormal message, not good message, abnormal message. So brain cannot support the body system for smooth functioning, which result in the problem of health condition of the user and the activity of such user. It affect their family and social environment. So this is, if you will think, a very serious problem, especially in the young generation. Clear? They are saying, oh, I am hero, but Outside they are hero, inside they are zero. Slow and steady they are killing themselves. Sometimes we have seen they are also doing injection, putting injection in their hand. Self-doctor. Self-doctor. This is not good. The manpower, the skilled manpower, we are losing. If our young generation they will be abused, then a country cannot get a good manpower. A country cannot get a good manpower. So by taking the drugs, the young generation of our country, they may be vain. The young generation, they may ruin their health, their life. And for the country, it is a great loss. And on the other hand, parents, they will also suffer a lot due to their addiction. Even some of the stealing, some of the activity in the society we have seen, those who are using the drugs, they are stealing money from their home, stealing the things from their home and selling at the very cheap rate. And at last what happens, they will get the addicted, and when they will addicted, when they will not get the drugs, they may suffer. So my dear student, we have to, it is your duty also, it is our duty also, we have to aware the people about this prostitution, about this drug abuse, what are the negative effects of the drug. We have to see, we have to say to our friends, those who are involved in there, we have to motivate them, we have to say no to the drugs. So my dear friend, there are some causes of drug abuse also. Unstable home environment. So I request to you all that sometimes your parents, they may scold you, but one thing, listen to me, all parents loves you. There is no discrimination between any boys and girls, between sons and daughters. All parents, they love their children. So we have to, it is our duty also, it is our duty also, we have to love and care to our parents. We have to make good environment. So causes, unstable home environment, poor relationship with the parents, we have to make very good relationship with the parents. Easy availability of the drugs. So what happened? Most of the young generation, they can get drugs very near in the market. Clear? Failure in, sometimes what happened, I failed, my ambition is good loss. So failure in ambition, it is also very dangerous. So our government has also launched various programs to control the drug abuse. There is Narcotic Control Bureau of Nepal Police is also working there. Clear? So my dear student, we have to say no to drugs. And at last I am coming to bullying. Bullying, it is an act of dominating others in the various way. By promoting the feeling of superiority complex, it is considered as a common problem in the society. But recently it has become a serious problem in school. Sometimes we are calling our friends in the other name. Clear? So this is the act of dominating other people in the various way. A large number of children and young, some type of bullying during their school and college time. School bullying comes way down in the list of the problem with all indication. bullying activity from the teacher to the student, student to the student, etc. It should be stopped. Bullying can be make a people harass. It will create a problem to the society, to the people. So my dear student, this is also not good for the society. We have we should not call any people in the society by the other name also. So I think today this prostitution, drug abuse and bullying, we have got understood all this topic. I hope you got very well about this, and you have to go through your book also. And at last, what I am request to you all, please go through your visual class, because government of our country, it may also now give a legal to this visual class, and do question answer in your fair copy, make a note and go through this lesson. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Namaste.